Let us learn how to create this beautiful pictures and text effect in PowerPoint. If you're presenting something online or you're making an online video, this kind of an animation can really hold the attention of your audience. Let us learn how to do this effect from scratch. I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. If you want to learn 25 creative PowerPoint ideas that you can use in your next presentation, then please join our 5-day free email course. The link is in the description box below. The first thing I'm going to do is to draw a few lines. So let us go to Shapes, pick up this line tool, hold the Shift button down and draw a line. Give this a black color and increase the thickness to somewhere around say 2 1/4 points, and you can keep the length to somewhere around 8 centimeters. And let us make a copy of this by pressing Ctrl D and place this right above the previous one. So both of them are exactly aligned and are one on top of the other. And let us make another copy of this by pressing Ctrl D and keep this somewhere over here. So we create enough space to write our subtitle text. Now we have got two lines here. Remember, let us press Ctrl D to create a duplicate and then rotate them by 90 degrees and place them over here. Now to fill this box, I'm going to use a simple rectangle tool and let us draw a rectangle like so. Right click, send it to back and use a light color. Maybe in this case, I'm going to use a light teal color and go to shape outline and say no outline. Let us add some text here. So let us go to the text box tool and write subtitle text. I'm going to use a thicker font. So let us go to 2cent empty condensed extra bold and then let us place this over here. So we have got our subtitle text in place. We can also write a number. So let us have 1 here and let us have the same kind of format. So let us go to the format painter and apply the same format to this text as well and keep this to one side like so. And let us write some sample text and let us make the size as 20 and keep this below the previous one. Perfect. Now we have got our text in place and I'm going to have a square photo here. So let us go to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images. I'm going to pick up some random picture. Let us go to Business and say Enter and let us see if there is any picture that I would like to add here. Maybe I would like to pick this one and say Insert. So now we have got a picture. To make this as a perfect square, I'm going to use Crop tool, go to Aspect Ratio and say 1:1. So it is a perfect square. You can always adjust the focus. So let us hold Ctrl and Shift so we can move the focus to the center like so. Now this looks good. So this picture is going to be placed over here. Looks perfect. I'm going to right click and send this to back. So we have got all our assets in place. The next step is to add animation. The first thing I'm going to do is to pick up this vertical line. Remember, there are two of these. I'm going to select only the top one. Let us go to animations and use a simple motion path animation, line animation, and let it go to right. And it needs to end exactly where this photo ends. So can you see here? This is the end point of the line. So that is our first animation. Then I'm going to select this line here. Again, there are two lines. I'm going to take only the top one and then apply the same kind of motion path animation lines and let us have the direction as up. And this ends again exactly where the photo ends. So this is the end point. So that is perfect. Then I'm going to take this line and have a motion path animation. And this is going to go down. It need not go all that way far. So I'm going to have it where the text ends. Now, while this happens, I am also going to apply a simple wipe animation from top to reveal the text. So let us go to animation pane and see what kind of animations we have. The first one is this line goes from left to right, and second, this line goes from bottom to up, and third, this line goes from here to here, and this text is getting revealed with a wipe animation. So those are the animations. Let us take the first three animations and have the duration as 0.5 seconds. And let us go here, go to Effect Options and say there is no smooth start and smooth end. Say OK. And we are going to have from the second one onwards till the fourth, all of them are going to happen with previous. So on a click, all these animations are going to happen. Let us move this slightly down so there is a little bit of breathing space. Now there is one last animation we need to do, and that is we need to have this photo also wipe along with the text. So we are going to say wipe. It can be from bottom to up or from left, it doesn't really matter, for the same 0.5 seconds duration and with previous. Now let us go to slideshow and see what happens. On a click, we have the photo revealed and the text revealed. Isn't that beautiful? Let us make a duplicate of this by pressing Ctrl D and place this right next to the previous one and press Ctrl D again. So we have got 3 of these instances. Let us select them all and move them somewhere to the center. If I want, I can always replace this picture with some other picture of my choice. For example, I have this picture. Let me cut it. Let us right click, change picture, and this is going to be changed from clipboard. Now the picture is changed. When I go to slideshow, the first one goes like this, the second one goes like this. Everything works beautifully. All I need to do is to make changes to my number here. I can change this background color to match the color of the photo. So I can go to shape fill, go to eyedropper, and I can pick a light color from this. So I can do all kinds of adjustments to make it look even better. But the basic way of doing the animation is what I showed. Now, when it comes to revealing pictures and the associated text, there can be a lot of variations. See, this is another variation of the same effect, but done in a different way. Another alternative to show pictures and their labels is like this. This is a little bit more advanced version. You can see that there are a lot of animation events involved. And all these, by the way, are already included as templates from our comprehensive all-in-one bundle. So you don't really have to do any of this animation if you have this product. The last example is 3 photos with text, and this is a beautiful way to reveal your pictures and the associated text. The link to our comprehensive all-in-one bundle is in the description box below. You get more than 4,500 such premium animated PowerPoint templates that are totally usable, unlike the ones that you see on the internet today. If you want to learn even more creative ways of working with pictures in PowerPoint, then I highly recommend this playlist. You will see a link to this playlist right now on your screen. You click on the link and you can watch this. It starts with 5 PowerPoint picture cropping tricks you didn't know. You will learn some very interesting techniques to apply in your next presentation. I'll see you inside that video next.